The Zelle payment service is a mobile payment and money transfer service, which is owned by a company comprised of 7 of the largest banks in the United States. This application is free to download and enables you to conduct instant money transfers without any charges. The Zelle application is completely free to use. However, you might still encounter fees from other banks and credit unions that do not have a direct affiliation with Zelle. Consequently, because Zelle is predominantly owned by various banks throughout the United States, it offers a distinct advantage. Firstly, its wide-ranging scope and compatibility extend to virtually all major banks operating within the United States. And secondly, the application is seamlessly integrated with the online banking services or mobile banking services provided by its partners. Zelle, through its partnerships with numerous financial institutions across the United States, makes it easy and convenient to securely and instantly transfer money to friends and family. It is designed for the instant and direct transfer of funds from one bank account to another without any direct interaction. Signing up for the Zelle payment service is quite similar to setting up your online or mobile banking. The Zelle application has already been integrated into the majority of banks across the United States. This indicates that if your bank offers Zelle, your account will automatically be pre-configured. The only thing left for you to do is to find the option that says Send Money with Zelle. From there, you can proceed to link your bank accounts with the application. And this is precisely what we will explore and elaborate on in this video. Download the Zelle application, which is available for both Android and iOS. Open the VPN program and set your location to the United States because the Zelle payment service functions exclusively within the USA. Once the program is open, this interface will appear. Proceed by pressing it. Then, click Allow to receive notifications. Now, you'll be asked to enter your phone number, which must be a US number. Therefore, you should use an application that provides you with a temporary US phone number, such as the VIC program. Click Continue. Now, agree to the terms and proceed to the next step. Now you'll be asked to select the bank you use. After selecting your bank, you need to go to your specific bank's application. For instance, if you're a Chase Bank customer, on the left-hand menu, you'll find the Quick Pay with Zelle option. From this Quick Pay with Zelle menu, you can easily receive money, send money, and even split payments. By clicking on Send Money, you will find the most recent individuals to whom you have transferred funds. Tap Add at the top to include someone from your list of contacts. Additionally, you can search for individuals simply by their name. Now, you must enter the email address of the person you are sending money to and their phone number. For the next step, input the amount you wish to send and select your preferred payment method. You can also include a message, and the funds will be transferred within 1 to 2 business days. This applies if the recipient hasn't yet connected their bank account application with the Zelle application. But if they are using the Zelle application, the money will arrive instantly. Moreover, the recipient will receive a message detailing the process of registering for Zelle and connecting it to their bank account. Before sending, you'll be prompted to confirm the transfer details. Then, simply tap Send Now. You will need to input the required data, which includes your card information, first and last name, card expiration date, and CVV number. However, if you are a resident of America and are a customer of Bank of America, first you'll need to download the Bank of America application and then sign in using the access credentials that you received from the bank. And if you do not have the access credentials, then contact the bank's customer service and they will provide them to you. This is the application, and you have choices available at the bottom. You should press the second option from the left, which signifies utilizing Zelle for money transfers. Then press Settings. Here is your contact information. Enter a US phone number and an email address. Next, choose your available deposit account, whether it's a checking or savings account. Then press Done. Safety features are in place to ensure a more secure and quicker way to transfer funds. And to compare the Zelle application with the Venmo application, which we discussed in a previous video on our channel, both applications are exclusively operational across the United States. Furthermore, Venmo, in contrast to the Zelle application, presents a social media-like interface, allowing users to share their payment activities within their social circle. Beyond Venmo's enjoyable interface, it is also perfectly suited for everyday transactions such as sharing meal costs, remunerating a colleague, and similar payments. However, using the Zelle application means you can bid farewell to such interactions. This is because Zelle is notably more discreet and protective when it comes to maintaining your transaction records. The maximum amount you are able to transfer via the Venmo app is $4,999 each week. In contrast, the Zelle application has a maximum daily limit of $5,000 and a monthly limit of $20,000. In conclusion, the Zelle application presents itself as a smart choice when you need to transfer money to another user instantly and directly.